Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Shubham and I welcome you all to the GradX Academy's YouTube channel. We are into a series of making 312 interview questions regarding Salesforce Marketing Cloud. If you can see here, in the first four parts, we have covered nearly 80 questions till the what is entry sources in Journey Builder. If you haven't watched the first four video, the link is given in the description. I'll be also sharing the link of this document of the question bank as well as the solutions document that I have prepared. We have already covered nearly first 80 questions in the previous parts. In this video, we are going to cover the questions that is from question number 80, 81 to 100. This question number from 81 to 100 are focusing on the journey builder and API integration and real-time automation scenarios. These are very advanced level questions that are frequently asked in the interviews, especially for the experienced roles. So if you have participating in the interviews or actively giving the Salesforce Marketing Cloud interview, this series is very helpful for you. Just make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the needful peoples who are preparing Salesforce Marketing Cloud interviews. So let's get started from question number 81. The question number 81 that we have is what is API entry? What is API event entry source? API event entry source allows contact to enter a journey using the API call. This is mainly used when external system like website or mobile app trigger the journey in real time. For example, when users signs up on the website or an app, an API call can immediately trigger the automation or the trigger the welcome journey. The next question is what is data extension entry source? The data extension entry source allows contacts to enter a journey when records are added or updated in the data extension. This can be scheduled or event based. It is commonly used for the batch uploads or the campaign based journeys. Question number 83 is what is Salesforce data entry source? The Salesforce data entry source allows journey entry based on the CRM data like leads, contact, or opportunity. This works using Salesforce Marketing Cloud Connect. For example, when lead is created in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud CRM, it can trigger a nurturing journey in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So in this way, we are connecting the CRM's object with the Salesforce Marketing Cloud journeys to automate the marketing process or to automate the customer experience. Question number 84 is about what is decision splits. The decision split is used to divide the contact based on the condition like data attributes. For example, you can split user based on the country or the purchase amount. This helps send different communication paths to the different segment of the audience. This is the decision splits. Question number 85 is about engagement split. Engagement splits divides the contact based on their interaction with the previous activities. For example, whether user opened the email, clicked on the email, or opened the SMS, clicked on the SMS, etc., etc. Generally, this helps to target the engaged and non-engaged users at different points. So engagement split is about the engagement, that means we are sending the email and how customer is behaving to that email, how customer is engaging to that email. Depending on the customer's engagement, we are ultimately splitting the paths for the customers. Question number 86 is about what is wait activity. Now, so observe wait activity adds the pauses to the journey, right? For example, pauses can be a time specific or the unit specific also. We can say that wait activities can be time based or the event based. If some events occurs, then time can be triggered, or the if we have a time based journey, right? So if you wanted to schedule next activity or next activity in the journey at specific time, right, then we can use the wait activity. Okay, now after wait activity we have let's say path optimizer. What is path optimizer? So observe, path optimizer is used to test multiple journey paths and determine which platform or which performs the best. It distributes the contact across the different paths and tracks the performance metrics. In real time, it helps to optimize the campaign for the better engagement and the conversion. Now the question number 88 is what is journey re-entry configuration? What is journey re-entry configuration? The journey re-entry configuration defines whether a contact can re-enter a journey after exiting or not. It controls how often a contact can go to through the same journey, means how often the contact can get into the journey again and again. In real time, it is important for the recurring campaigns and the life cycle journeys, right, to simply configure the re-entry journey. What are re-entry options available? Re-entry options in the journey builder includes the three options. First is no re-entry, means contact can only enters one in the journey. For example, whenever contact sign up for the application, right? Whenever the contact is registering as a user in the app or the website, right? That type of for that type of journeys, right? We have to use no entry journey. Second is no entry anytime, re-entry anytime. The re-entry anytime means, consider we have a journey for the flight passengers who are getting the information about the onboarding, right? Means flight can be booked again and again, so this journey can also be again and again. Then re-entry after exit, right? So here re-entry after exit means whenever the journey gets exit, right? Then then the re-entry can be possible in the journey builder. This option controls how frequently contacts can re-enter into journey. Question number 19 is can you edit a live journey? Now, first of all, we cannot edit the live journey. To make changes, you need to or we need to create a new version of the journey and publish it. In real time, versioning ensures that running the journey is not disturbed. Question number 91 is about what happens to the contact already in the live journey. The contacts which are already in the live journey continues on the current version. They are not impacted by the new version of the journey in real time. This ensures the consistency or consistent experience of the user for the user which are already in the flow, right? That means the if we change the version of the journey, the whatever contacts are there into journey, they will continue the same version. And if there are new contacts which are entering into the journey, that will enter into the new version of the journey. Question number 90 is what is contact data and journey data? This is very important. Contact data refers to the data stored at the contact level in the contact builder. Journey data refers to the data specific to the journey instance or the entry source. In real time, contact data is reusable across the journey, while journey data is specific to the journey execution. The question number 93 is how do you troubleshoot the journey emails not triggering? Now, this is the scenario based question. To troubleshoot the journey emails not triggering, check entry sources, entry source data, then journey status, then activity configuration, send classification and email content, suppression or execution, exclusion rules. In real time, debugging involves checking the logs, validating the data flow step by step. Question number 94 is how do you trigger a journey via API? A journey can be triggered via API by sending the post request to the configured API event entry sources. The request includes contact data required for the journey entry. In real time, this is used for the instant journey triggering from external system. The question number 95 is how do you configure the API event? The API event is configured by defining an event in the journey builder and linking it to the data extension. You generate an event key and endpoint for the API integration. In real time, developers used to set up to push the data into the journey. Question number 96 is about the tracking. What is the goal tracking in the journey? Now, the goal tracking measures whether the contacts are achieve the contacts achieve a defined goal within the journey or not. Goal can be based on the event like purchases or the conversion. In real time, it helps measure the journey effectiveness and ROIs. The question number 97 is how do you exit the contacts based on purchase event? So you can configure an exit criteria in the journey using a data event like a purchase. When a condition meets, contacts exit the journey automatically in real time. This avoids sending the irrelevant communication after the conversion, after the customer get converted or customer get purchased. The question number 98 is how do you resend the email if not opened? You can use the engagement split to identify non-openers and send the follow-up email. This ensures only user who didn't open the first email receive the second one. In real-time marketing campaigns, this improves the engagement and campaign effectively. The question number 99 is about how do you use engagement split for the non-openers. The engagement splits checks if the user opened or clicked the email. You can define a path for the non-openers and send them a reminder or a different email. In real time, this helps re-engaging inactive users. What is behavioral trigger? The behavioral trigger refers to initiating the communication based on the user's action and behavior. Examples includes the website's visit, purchase, or the email interaction. In real time, it enables the personalized and timely communication with the customer. So these are nearly 100 questions that we have covered in the 5 parts. If you like the videos, please do like, share, and subscribe. I'll be coming back with more videos in the list. I am covering nearly 312 interview questions. So please do like, share, and subscribe if you like the content, and if you want these documents, just comment on the video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Hello.